guys, this is Cindy with Razor Sharp Productions, and I have pulled over because I wanted to show you what's going on in our town. We have what's called Rattlesnake Ridge, and it's a gap between the city. We have a very busy highway that goes through it. It's Interstate 82. So this crack has been growing. This crack has been growing, and it reports that all this is going to come down here in the next few days. So I'm just going to take a few clips and show you, and then I'll add some news clips along, okay? Pretty scary because this is our main freeway. So after that, everybody's going to detour to alternate routes, which are old highways, old country roads. All right, so stay posted, and then I'll post as things come up. So here's the area. This is the old highway, actually Highway 97, that goes through to Yakima as well. And then we have a freeway that goes down this way. But if you look closely, there is the crack. So we're expecting all that to break off and slide down over the freeway. The city, the state has taken precautions, and they put up barriers, but this is going to be pretty freaky. I mean, that's how it looks now. Curious to see what it's going to look like later. So I'll show you pretty much when I drive what it looks like. Right. So this is Highway 97. Highway 97 will merge onto 82. That's the area I'm talking about over there. See that? I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. So we're coming up to the area. This is the gap. You got both sides right there. The left side of the hill, the ridge, and the right side. The left side on not on this side of the hill, but the other side. Would be affected. But this is going to change, guys. This view that we have, our landscape, is going to change. See that? I believe we're not sure if this side will be affected. So it's all this side right there, that part. That ridge. Rattlesnake Ridge. crack on the other side, but they're not sure how much it will run along. And I'll show you in a minute. That's going to come down. We got workers out there. We got people being evacuated. It's insane. So it's going to completely change our landscape. So yeah. So this is the ridge, Rattlesnake Ridge. That road is closed back there, and then we do have a river that crosses down here. This is I82. On the area, there's a big crack on the other side, but they're not sure how much it'll run. And I'll show you in a minute. You see that? But they've put big metal crates full of concrete to stop as much as they can. So they're anticipating all this is going to come down, guys. Look at that. All that. That's going to come down. You got workers out there, you got people being evacuated. It's insane. So it's going to completely change our landscape. So yeah. This is just Cindy with Razor Sharp Productions, and in no means am I a reporter or journalist. I'm just showing you guys what's going on in my city, and it's huge. It's going to change. It's going to change well, it's going to suspend the way we travel for a good while. So anyway, I'll keep you guys posted.